also had a Vulcan 2000cc V-twin. Now that's heavier than a Harley Davidson now. That's a big 2000cc's, that's a big, that Vulcan was a big, Kawasaki Vulcan was a big machine. And my little bitty self handling that sucker, you wouldn't want to lay it over. It's like trying to pick up a car. But I'm a professional rider anyway. You've done it all your freaking life. Look at these kick-ass dirt bikes. Yamaha hammers. Hell yeah. I've had a few Yamaha dirt bikes. Right now I got a Arctic Cat 700 2006 model. It's a bad son of a bitch. I would take it to the levee and ride. Ride on the levee and stuff. Kodiak 700. Grizzly.